is a wonderful festival that fills the heart with joy and makes us appreciate the nature, learning, and the beauty of spring. We hope you all enjoyed this assembly today and learned something new about Basant Panchami. Happy Basant Panchami! And now it's another joy because Avinash ma'am is here with us and I would love to invite her to speak some words for us.
I think you've forgotten. You don't have to get up every time. You just sit and wish. We had the assembly on which topic? What is the meaning of Basant Panchami? The study of God. So basically she was not born, but on the, so Panchami means 5 and Basant means what is? Spring in English. So on the 5th day of, in the Hindi calendar, we say Magh. What is the month? Magh. In Hindi we have different words, like you say January, February, March. So in Hindi we say Magh, and the 5th day of the Magh month is celebrated as Basant Panchami, and on that day it is known that when we pray to Goddess Saraswati, she blesses us with good thoughts, with wisdom, with knowledge. That is why, because have you seen Saraswati sitting on, she's on which flower? Lotus flower. And when spring comes, which is the, I would say in the farms, which is the crop that you see around? Wonderful. Mustard flowers. And what is the color of mustard flowers? Yellow. And that is why, because mustard will, the farmers, when they will reap their crop, they will get money. So it's all yellow everywhere, and that's why it's about goodness, prosperity, wealth. So we all wear yellow clothes to become one with the environment. And what kind of dishes we eat? Yellow colored. Have you tasted that sweet rice? Yes, Mama makes. She adds sometimes carrots, she adds jaggery and yellow coloring. So, and kishmish. So, that's a wonderful dish. So, we are enjoying, we are having lots of fun. And children also remember when Basant Panchami comes, it also gives us a message that we are ending towards the session. You are grown up children now. You are going to move to your next bigger class, higher class. Isn't it? So, in which month you will be in the next class? April. And yes, you will all eat yellow laddus. So children, we should always seek blessings of Goddess Saraswati and ask her that give us good thoughts, give us wisdom and bless us with lots of prosperity and good life. So that is why we all celebrated this together. So thank you Karishma ma'am, and wonderful. Thank you UKGB. And now I would request Avinash ma'am to bless you all.
Good morning, children. Happy Basant Panchami to all of you. Sit down. So, ma'am, we were discussing. So, which season is coming now? Spring season is coming. And do you know what flower is this?
Marigold.
Yes, marigold. Have you seen marigold flowers blooming in smart wonder school also? At your house also. Yes? Good. I have a small question for you. Ma Saraswati photograph? She's sitting on which flower? Yes. And she's holding a musical instrument. What is the name of this musical instrument? Veena. This is Veena. And now, and there are some books also. So she's a symbol of knowledge and wisdom. What we are saying today, we pray to Ma Saraswati and seek blessing for knowledge and wisdom. So she is holding, see the books you can see, and she is a symbol of music and dance also, art. Okay, so it's a very, very what you call auspicious day. Okay, children. But children at the back, I can call a big round of applause for class UKGB. I want to see all of them over here. All of you who have performed today, come on stage. Very good. Very good. Very good. You and keep it up. Okay, and you need to tell your mother also that we performed so well, and our ma'am, our principal ma'am, Sarika ma'am, everybody was so happy to see the performance. Okay, you need to tell your parents. Okay, do you know the meaning of appreciation? What is the meaning of appreciation? I don't know. Tell me.
Who can tell the meaning of appreciation?
What is the meaning of appreciation?
When someone says something good to you.
Yes, once.
And the students have secured gold medal of excellence for the same. So after this, we'll be giving away the medals. Stage. And we'll have a group picture. 1A, then 1B, 1C and 1D.
सेंटर में करते हैं
Everybody look here. Look here.